Welcome to General Knowledge Classes, your go-to destination for mastering GK and hacking competitive exams. Whether you are preparing for SSC, UPSC, bank exams, or just want to sharpen your mind, this is the place where knowledge meets success. What is the term for the study of how people manage resources to meet their needs? Answer: economics. Economics is the study of how individuals and societies manage resources to satisfy their needs and wants. What is the importance of conserving natural resources? Answer: to ensure sustainability and protect the environment. Conserving natural resources is crucial for maintaining environmental balance, ensuring the availability of resources for future generations, and preventing ecological damage. What does GDP stand for in economic terms? Answer: Gross Domestic Product. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product, which measures the total value of goods and services produced within a country's borders over a specific period. What is the main objective of recycling? Answer: to reduce waste and conserve resources. Recycling aims to minimize waste by reprocessing used materials into new products, conserving resources, and reducing environmental impact. What are renewable resources? Answer: resources that can be replenished naturally. Renewable resources are those that can be naturally replenished over time, such as solar energy, wind, and biomass. What is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight? Answer: photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce their own food and release oxygen. Who is known as the father of modern physics for his theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is renowned for his theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy. What is the name of the device used to measure temperature? Answer: thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature, whether it's the temperature of a liquid, environment, or body. What is the main function of the Internet? Answer: to facilitate global communication and information sharing. The Internet connects computers worldwide, allowing people to communicate, share information, and access resources from anywhere. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: Mars. Mars is often called the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. What is the significance of the Namaste gesture in Indian culture? Answer: it is a traditional greeting that symbolizes respect. The Namaste gesture, performed by pressing the palms together, is a traditional Indian greeting that conveys respect and acknowledges the divine presence in others. Name the traditional Indian dish made from fermented rice and lentils. Answer: idli. Idli is a popular South Indian dish made from fermented rice and lentils, steamed into soft, round cakes. Which Indian festival celebrates the victory of good over evil and is known for its elaborate firework displays? Answer: Diwali. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is celebrated with fireworks, lights, and sweets to mark the victory of good over evil. What is the traditional art of storytelling through puppetry in Rajasthan called? Answer: Kathputli. Kathputli is a traditional form of puppetry from Rajasthan, where puppeteers use string puppets to tell stories and entertain audiences. Which traditional Indian dance form is known for its elegant movements and storytelling, originating from Tamil Nadu? Answer: Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form from Tamil Nadu, characterized by its grace, expressiveness, and storytelling through dance. What was the main purpose of the Great Wall of China? Answer: to protect against invasions. The Great Wall of China was built to protect the Chinese states from invasions and raids by nomadic groups from the north. Which ancient Greek philosopher is known for his contributions to Western philosophy and his method of questioning? Answer: Socrates. Socrates is a key figure in Western philosophy known for his method of questioning and dialogue, which laid the foundation for critical thinking. What is the name of the longest mountain range in the world? Answer: the Andes. The Andes mountain range, stretching along the western edge of South America, is the longest mountain range in the world. What was the primary purpose of the Silk Road? Answer: to facilitate trade between East and West. The Silk Road was an ancient network of trade routes that connected the East and West, allowing the exchange of goods, culture, and ideas. Which ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans? Answer: the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans, located around the North Pole. What is the term for the practice of planting trees to improve the environment? Answer: afforestation. Afforestation involves planting trees in an area where there were none previously, which helps improve air quality, combat climate change, and restore ecosystems. What does sustainable development aim to achieve? Answer: to meet current needs without compromising future generations. Sustainable development focuses on balancing economic growth, environmental protection, and social equity to ensure that future generations can also meet their needs. What is the name of the process that turns waste materials into reusable materials? Answer: recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into reusable materials, which helps reduce waste and conserve resources. Which renewable energy source is harnessed from the movement of wind? Answer: wind energy. Wind energy is generated by capturing the kinetic energy of wind through wind turbines, which can be converted into electricity. What is the main objective of water conservation? Answer: to ensure the sustainable use of water resources. Water conservation aims to use water resources efficiently and protect them from overuse and pollution, ensuring availability for future generations. What is the term for the process of converting natural resources into usable products? Answer: manufacturing. Manufacturing involves transforming raw natural resources into finished products that can be used by consumers and industries. What is the largest desert in the world? Answer: the Antarctic Desert. The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world by area, encompassing the entire continent of Antarctica, where precipitation is very low. Which Indian river is considered holy by Hindus and is believed to purify sins? Answer: the Ganges, Ganga. The Ganges River is revered in Hinduism for its spiritual significance, and many believe that bathing in its waters purifies sins and brings blessings. What is the main characteristic of a developed country? Answer: high standard of living and advanced technological infrastructure. Developed countries have a high standard of living, advanced technological infrastructure, and strong economic stability compared to developing nations. What is the term for the movement of people from rural areas to cities? Answer: urbanization. Urbanization is the process by which people migrate from rural areas to urban centers, often in search of better employment opportunities and living standards. What is the term for the gradual increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities? Answer: global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to increased concentrations of greenhouse gases from human activities. Which human activity is the main cause of deforestation? Answer: logging and agriculture. Logging for timber and clearing land for agriculture are primary causes of deforestation, leading to loss of biodiversity and disruption of ecosystems. What is the term for the process of removing salt from seawater to make it suitable for drinking? Answer: desalination. Desalination is the process of removing salt and other impurities from seawater to produce fresh water suitable for consumption and irrigation. Water, greenhouse gases, and what role do they play in climate change? Answer: gases that trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, contributing to global warming and climate change. What is the term for the sustainable management of natural resources to prevent overuse? Answer: conservation. Conservation involves managing natural resources carefully to prevent overexploitation and ensure their availability for future generations. Which culture is known for its intricate mosaics and is influential in Byzantine art? Answer: Byzantine culture. Byzantine culture is renowned for its elaborate mosaics and artistic contributions, which greatly influenced the art and architecture of the Byzantine Empire. What is the traditional Japanese art of folding paper into various shapes called? Answer: origami. Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding, which transforms flat sheets of paper into intricate shapes and figures. What ancient civilization is known for its contributions to mathematics and astronomy, including the concept of zero? Answer: the Maya civilization. The Maya civilization made significant advances in mathematics and astronomy, including the use of zero in complex calendrical systems. What is the name of the traditional Maori dance performed in New Zealand? Answer: haka. The haka is a traditional Maori dance characterized by vigorous movements and chanting, often performed to celebrate significant events or intimidate opponents. Which cultural festival in Spain involves running in front of bulls through the streets? Answer: the running of the bulls, San Fermin. The running of the bulls is part of the San Fermin festival in Pamplona, Spain, where participants run through the streets alongside bulls. What is the term for the economic principle of buying and selling goods and services without government intervention? Answer: free market economy. A free market economy is one where economic decisions and the pricing of goods and services are guided by the interactions of citizens and businesses with minimal government intervention. What does GDP per capita measure? Answer: the average economic output per person. GDP per capita measures the average economic output per person in a country, providing an indicator of the standard of living. What is the term for trade between countries without tariffs or quotas? Answer: free trade. Free trade refers to international trade conducted without tariffs, quotas, or other restrictions, promoting the exchange of goods and services between countries. What is the main purpose of an import tariff? Answer: to increase the cost of imported goods. An import tariff is a tax on imported goods, which raises their cost to protect domestic industries and generate revenue for the government. What is the concept of supply and demand in economics? Answer: the relationship between the availability of a product and the desire for it. Supply and demand describe how the availability of a product, supply, and the desire for it, demand, influence its price and quantity in the market. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission in 1969, famously stating, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." What was the primary cause of the American Civil War? Answer: slavery. The American Civil War, fought from 1861 to 1865, was primarily caused by conflicts over slavery and its expansion into new territories. Who invented the telephone? Answer: Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876, revolutionizing communication by allowing voice transmission over long distances. What significant event occurred on July 4, 1776, in the United States? Answer: the Declaration of Independence was adopted. On July 4, 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, marking the United States' formal separation from Great Britain. Who is credited with discovering penicillin? Answer: Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, which became the first widely used antibiotic, revolutionizing medicine and the treatment of bacterial infections. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Let us know in the comments below which topic you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching.